In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the WordPress error. The response is not a valid JSON response. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry. We'll walk through it step by step so you can get back to focusing on creating great content for your website. First off, we'll need to jump into WordPress by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your one-stop destination for everything WordPress related, including creating and managing your site. Once you're there, you'll see the Login option. Clicking on that will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have those handy. It's always a good idea to keep a record of this information in a secure place to avoid any hiccups in accessing your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire site, where you can manage posts, pages, settings, and more. From here, we'll need to head to the settings section to adjust a specific setting that might be causing the not a valid JSON response error. Click on Settings and then navigate to the General tab. What we're looking to do first is to ensure that both your WordPress address and site address are correct. Specifically, they both must begin with HTTPS for secure connections. This is crucial because if there's a mismatch or if HTTP is used instead of HTTPS, it might result in a failure to communicate properly with the server, thus causing the JSON error. Simply check these fields, and if they're incorrect, update them with the correct addresses. This ensures that your site maintains a secure connection at all times, which is not only important for functionality, but also for SEO and user trust. After making the necessary changes, don't forget to scroll down and save those changes. This step is vital as it applies the new settings to your site. Once you've saved the changes, try to perform the task again that was previously giving you trouble. In most cases, this adjustment will resolve the issue. If you continue to face difficulties, there may be other factors at play, such as plugin conflicts or server issues, but beginning with these fundamental checks usually resolves the JSON error. Remember, maintaining your WordPress settings properly can also prevent other issues down the line, so it's a good practice to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its options. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and solutions. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.